Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Model Garage's videos. And I just want to show off my next kit I'm going to be building in my Build a Vintage Kit series I'm starting. This kit is the 1976, I think. Yeah, 1976 kit of this 32 Ford pickup, Model B utility, motorized. I'm not sure if I'm going to motorize it or not, but I'm going to try to build it to look something like the box and um, do what I can to make it look cool. So stay tuned for the next installments of Build a Vintage Kit on Douglas's Model Garage's videos. And keep your eyes peeled for that. Alright, you have a good day, and thank you for watching this. I thank my subscribers for watching this. And my viewers, however you may have found this video. So, yeah, I just want to thank everybody for watching. Alright, bye.